Next up, the heartland of America is represented in this year's inaugural parade by a combination of modern American-made tractors driven by leaders from the farm and ranch community. It's the Rural Tractor Brigade from Elkhorn, Nebraska. These are members of the National Future Farmers of America, the world's premier youth organization, leading this contingent of colorful tractors that help make America's farmers and ranchers the most efficient food and fiber producers in the world. Up next, from the University of Tennessee, it's the Pride of the Southland Marching Band. From Knoxville, Tennessee.